Several instruments have been used to write in outer space, including different types of pencils and pens. Some of them have been unmodified versions of conventional writing instruments. Others have been invented specifically to counter the problems with writing in space conditions. A common misconception states that the Fisher Space Pen was devised as the result of millions of dollars of unnecessary spending on NASA's part when the Soviet Union took the simpler and cheaper route of just using pencils, making the pen an example of over-engineering. In reality, the Space Pen was independently developed by Paul C. Fisher, founder of the Fisher Pen Company, with $1 million of his own funds. NASA tested and approved the pen for space use, especially since they were less flammable than pencils, then purchased 400 pens at $6 per pen. The Soviet Union subsequently also purchased the Space Pen for its Soyuz space flight. When practically all writing in space intended for permanent record is electronic, the discussion of writing instruments in space is somewhat academic. While graphite is claimed to be a hazardous material in space because it burns and conducts electricity, two facts mitigate the risk. The graphite in pencils is mixed with clay during fabrication of the lead to help hold its shape and would only burn at greater than 1000 degrees Celsius. The wood pencil has been used for writing by NASA and Soviet space programs from the start. It is simple with no moving parts except for the sharpener. Ballpoint pens have been used by Soviet and then Russian space programs as a substitute for grease pencils as well as NASA and ESA. The pens are cheap and use paper, and writing done during pen is more permanent than done with graphite pencils and grease pencils, which makes the ballpoint pen more suitable for logbooks and scientific notebooks. The Fisher Space Pen is a gas-charged ballpoint pen that is rugged and works in a wider variety of conditions such as zero gravity, vacuum, and extreme temperatures. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe for more updates.